Hello everyone, Tierra here with Fae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in for another soap making adventure. We are making the final soap in today's shop update, and last year I didn't get around to doing a Valentine's Day themed soap, so I made it a point to do one this year, and I made it in two different colors. There's like two different versions of this soap. It is like the sweetheart or the conversation heart, so whatever you call those little candies with the little sayings on the front of them. I just think they scream Valentine's Day, and they always inspire me to make a soap. So there's two versions of it. In order to make this design I had visualized happen, I needed to figure out how to use the Cricut machine that Bradley got me for Christmas. I did figure it out, so stick around to the end to see the final touch on it. I was just a little intimidated on how to get this thing working. So if you have any ideas on what I should make, let me know, because I've always wanted one, and yet I'm like, okay, what do I do with it? If you are interested in purchasing today's soap, it is available in the Etsy shop alongside any of the other bars you've seen me make this month, including the exfoliating loofah soap, which have here. I also did the day and night soap. This one's my favorite, the ones I made. And then the confetti cake soap. This is the final color. It did turn a little brown. There's still a hint of yellow in there. I'm not unhappy with it. I mean, it's cake. So yes, all of these are available in the Etsy shop. Probably the last shop update I will have using Etsy. I'm officially moving away from it. I've had a little drama with them, and we are working on a website for that, like, next month's release, so I'm super excited about that. Let's get into soap making. I just first want to thank all of you, as always, for subscribing and liking and commenting, and even if you buy any of my soaps, thank you for supporting me and my little soapy business and my family. Don't forget to hit that like button or subscribe if you are new, and leave me a comment down below. But let's get to soap making. Design off, I need to make the embed that's going to be in the shape of a heart that is going to be placed inside a loaf of soap. And I wanted to represent like one of the candy hearts or the conversation hearts, whichever you call them. I've already done one and it's off to the side. I did it in a purple, so I'm going to do this one in orange. I just added in a bit of Orange Vibrance by Nurture's soap and some titanium dioxide that has been dispersed in water. I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in since it's all one color, and then add in my lye solution. So that is at a nice trace. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of my fragrance. It is called Bite Me. It's by Crafter's Choice. And it has notes of sugared strawberry, pineapple nectar, and sparkling citrus. Enhance a deep background of vanilla orchid and clove bud. It's very fruity smelling, like a fruit punch, and it definitely has a punch to it. It does have a little bit of vanillin in it. I'm hoping it's not going to mess up my design too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and stir that in and pour this into the mold. This is the mold. It is a heart shape. It is a large heart-shaped column that's by Brambleberry, and I've already poured up a purple heart in it, like I said, so that is why the mold looks the way it does. It just has the soap in it from the heart mold that I just pulled out. So let's get this poured up in there. I always have trouble with these because I never get it closed on the sides. Like, you really need to make sure you seal this before you start pouring, or it just all oozes out the sides. So I'm going to pour this up. I'm going to put a little hairband over the top of it, and then I'm going to like prop it up and get it in a safe spot to set up for 24 hours. Just like that. And I'll bring you guys back when I make the rest of this on the next day. Alright, it's time to make the rest of this soap. I am making this all one color. We are going to color it with some titanium dioxide that's been dispersed in water, so we're just going to do a white base. I've got some soapy shreds off to the side that I'm going to mix into this to add design. I'll then pour this into my mold, stick my heart embeds in there, and that will be the base of this soap. So let's go. Add in the fragrance. Got my soapy shreds here. Gonna put them in. Give that a mix and start pouring. So I'll pour some of this in, let it set up, because it's very, very runny after I added in that fragrance. And then I'll put the embeds in so they don't sink to the bottom and put the rest of my batter in. Yeah, I don't know what I did with the icing there. It's something fancy, but not really. All right, going on top of this soap, I have some melt and pour hearts that I've colored in some, there's like yellow ones, and there's green ones, and blue ones. And I'm going to just put like 3, one of each color going across the soap. And I didn't even think about the order of this, but this is how they're going to go like this. There you go. Yellow, blue, and then green. And then I've got some sprinkles and some glitter to go on here, and that is going to be the soap. I wanted the top to be piped, but I didn't want it to sit like at a peak. I wanted it to be like flat so these could sit on top of here. The icing kind of looks a little like the piping looks like it has a yellow tint to it, but it's going to sit and it'll lighten. It's not going to look as creamy and like custardy looking, so the yellow one should stand out a little bit more. When I was calculating my oils for this soap, as you can probably tell, I miscalculated. I swore I had it right. I like subtracted the oils that I used for the heart embeds, the inside, and I subtracted that from like the main batter, and I thought I would have enough, and I didn't. So I had to hurry up and make a heat transfer batch, and I think it all worked out. I think it'll be fine. I feel like I hadn't soaped in forever, and I really haven't. It's been a while. For Christmas, because it is December, I am taking a break, but I am still trying to make my soaps for the following year. For Christmas, I wanted, and I've been wanting one for like months, for like my birthday. I've been wanting a Cricut, one of those fancy like cutting machines to do like crafts with, because you guys know I have like all the time in the world to do these projects and hobbies that I want, that I'm being sarcastic. For Christmas, that's what Bradley got me, and Amazon ruined his surprise. It's like the one big gift he got me this year. And he forgot to mark on there that it was a gift, not knowing that Amazon was going to ship it in the original box. So I went outside to go check the mail, and there it was, a Cricut laying on our front step. It sounds like a bug. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I think it's a Cricut. It looks like a cry cut. I don't know. I should probably know, but I don't know. I call it a Cricut. I think that's what it is. There was a Cricut on our front step.
And I was like, do I tell him that I know? I'm a horrible liar, so I can't pretend like I didn't see it. So I got it early, and that's great because I'm gonna have to figure out how to work it. Like, technology is not my strong point, and I don't know, I'm kind of intimidated by it. I don't know how to make it work. So eventually my plan is to get it to work and make some stencils so that when I cut this soap on the front of it, I can get some red lettering and put like cute little messages on the front of this soap. That is the plan. I'm not going to promise anything, but that is what I want to do. Not only do I have to figure out how to work it, I have a really old MacBook. That wasn't thought out very well. I don't know. I keep sticking them upside down. I don't think it really matters, but I know what the bottom is. I don't know if it's going to be compatible, the software, because it is really old. I don't even know how old it is, but I mean, computers just, they go out of style so fast. So hopefully I can get that up and working, or just go buy myself like a cheap little laptop and make some stencils to complete the soap. We will see. I am going to continue to stick these little hearts on here. Thought this would be a simple soap. I don't know what I was thinking that for. Alright, those are left over. And then I got some sugar sprinkles in pink and some pink flamingo eco glitter by FAERIE. That is going to go on top of this. Give it a light spray of rubbing alcohol and let it sit for 24 hours before I come back and cut it. And we'll take a look at the inside. Alright, let's have a peek at the inside. Really hoping these sprinkles and glitter don't cause too many drag marks. So far, it's looking really nice and white. This is a really good, really push it down on this. A really good white color that I was looking for. I was really worried that the color would morph with the fragrance, but so far I don't think this is going to do too much. So this is the inside. I like it. The goal is to again make the stencil, and I don't know, whatever typical sayings you find on a conversation heart, something as simple as just love you and some red mica is my plan. But yeah, that's all there is to it. I love it. It reminds me so much of like cake. And it smells really good too. It's a good fragrance, nice and strong. If you guys are interested in purchasing one of these, they will be available on January 28th. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below. And if you are new and haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Stick around for more fun soap making adventures. And until next time, I hope you guys have a very nice day. We're not going to get a close-up look. There we go. There we go. Hope you have a very nice day, and I'll smell you later.